Hello, this is an interesting question that was obtained online somehow, but it's not difficult at all. It's a question obtained online, and we can easily solve this problem. Let's go there. Simplify further. Let's first start so that my explanation will be thoroughly understood. I2 is a 2 by 2 identity matrix. What did I say? 2 by 2. How? Let me show you. This is it. 1, 0, 0, 1. 1 will be on the main diagonal. Okay, let's go to I3. I3 is a what? 3 by 3 identity matrix. Let's show that. 1, 0, 0, good. 0, 1, 0, good. 0, 0, 1. That is what? 3 by 3 identity matrix. Now the next one there, we have I4. I means identity. That will be what? 4 by 4 identity matrix. 1, 0, 0, 0, good. 1, sorry, 0, 1, 0, 0, fine. 0, 0, 1, 0, fine. 0, 0, 0, 1. You observe that on the main diagonal, this is the main diagonal, you have 1. The main diagonal, you have 1. The main diagonal, you have 1. Fine. So these are what? These are the identity matrix as requested. Okay? Now, what next? Don't forget this symbolizes what? Determinant. So that means we have to look for determinant of 2 by 2 identity matrix, 3 by 3 identity matrix, and 4 by 4 identity matrix. So how do we look at the determinants? Let's check. Let's do that. Let's clean this now. Let's clean this. Now, I will give you, there is an hint. Find the determinant of them. Determinant of 2 by 2 identity matrix simply means that you have this 1, 0, 0, 1. Now, you can check it yourself later, but don't waste your time. The determinant of any identity matrix is always the result is always when you multiply the element on the diagonal. So that's what? 1 times 1. So determinant is 1. Don't stress yourself. Even 3 by 3 matrix is determinant, which is 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. This is the element on the what? Main diagonal. Its determinant is also what? Let me put it there. Yes. It's 1 as well. You multiply all the elements on the main diagonals. Likewise, determinant of what? Determinant of 4 by 4 identity matrix. Let's try that again. 1, 0, 0, 0, yes. 0, 1, 0, 0, yes. 0, 0, 1, 0, yes. 0, 0, 0, 1. So the element on the main diagonal is also 1. So determinant is what? It's also 1. Yes, it's 1. Now, let's now go back to the question. And let's substitute whatever we obtain in the main question. The question says, let's write the question again, but without wasting our time so that we have enough space, let's just fix in. So therefore, determinant of I2, okay, let me write it. Determinant of I2 plus determinant of I3 all over determinant of I3 plus determinant of I4, good. We are asked to multiply by 8 raised power log 2 raised power 14 base 8, okay? Everything, I hope we are following, all over 2 raised power 10 plus 2 raised power 10 plus 2 raised power 10 plus 2 raised power 10. Now, good. We have obtained that determinant of 2 by 2 matrix is 1. So we have 1, the other one, 1, everything all over, 1 also here, plus 1. Now, don't forget, according to the law of logarithm, if you have a raised power log base ax, in my recent video, I solved something like this. So this a will cross this a, what? You have x left. So here now, 8 will cross 8 here. So we have what left? We have 2 raised power 14 left. So we have 2 raised power 14 because this has cancelled is 1 times this 2 raised power 14 all over. Now, what do you do with this? You are not going to add. You are going to factor it out. How? 2 raised power 10 is common. 2 raised power 10 into brackets. When you take 2 raised power 10, you factor it out. It remains 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. I hope you got that. Yes, okay. Because 2 raised power 10 is common. So you factor it out, remain 1 here, you 1, 1, 1, 1. Now, the next is, let's finish off. Let's finish off. Let's finish off. So we now have what? We now have, this is 2 over 2, 2 over 2 multiplied by 2 raised power 14 all over 2 raised power 10 multiplied by 4. 2 over 2 is 1. 1 times 2 raised power 4, that's 2 raised power 14, good, all over 2 raised power 10 times 2 raised power 2, because 4 can be written in form of 2 raised power 2. I hope you are following. Okay. So what next? Good. Now have what? You have 2 raised power 14 all over. This is an index question. According to the law of indices, 2 is common. The 2 is power 10 plus 2. Good. So that gives us what? 2 raised power 14 all over 2 raised power what? 12. I hope that is clear. We use okay. So we have what? Because 2 raised power 14 is what we have as a numerator there. So now you are having, according to the law of indices, now you can have this as 2 raised power 14 divided by 2 raised power 12. Sure, you know. Good. That's actually what this means. Which means what? 2 raised power 14, because 2 is now common, then you change the division to what? Subtraction, minus 12. That what? 2 raised power 14 minus 12 is 2, and that is what? 4. So the result, the answer to this question is 4. So if you are watching us for the first time, don't hesitate to subscribe to this video channel and click the notification bell so that each time I upload a video, you'll be duly notified. And if you have been our added subscribers, click like, share, and comment. God bless you. Bye.